Dear sir, this is our factory, and now I'd like to walk around, take a short video, let you see our company machines and productions. Now this machine you see, it is finished, be ready, and delivered to our customers. And this one is our wooden package when delivering. And now you can see this one is a water vacuum pump. Do you see in a line all these our machines are be ready, finished like this. This is a woodworking CNC router machine. This is a vacuum table, and this one is the vacuum hole. This machine is our advanced 4-axis CNC router for the woodworking. And now you can see there are many machines in our workshop now. This machine is our lathe CNC router for the woodworking, and you can see all these our machines are the cast iron, cast steel, and also you can see this is our square orbit. It's from the Taiwan TPMI. Also we use the helical rack and pinion. Now this is another side. This one is our stone CNC router for the woodwork, for the stone engraving, and this one is DSP controlling system. And this one we use the Japanese Yaskawa servo motor. This is our another workshop. Now I will show you This is our gate, and you can see this is our machines, like this one. This machine is our new advanced wooden panel production line. It is advanced with the three part, 1, 2, 3, and also the control system is the advanced. We use the NC Studio V10, and all this can be loaded up and down. This side is the upper lift, can be up and down, and you can put many different pieces on this, and then the vacuum pump will this part will suck the material to here, and also this is a spindle and automatic tool changer from the production, cutting, drilling, and grooving. Then this one push the product to the to the belt. Then the belt push your materials to this.